Let's talk about the biggest headache with AI coding partners. That nagging feeling that they have a serious case of amnesia, right? You spend an hour getting it up to speed on your project, and then tomorrow, it's all gone. Well, today, we're going to fix that for good.
See that? That feeling right there? That's the magic. It's that feeling of an AI that is totally, completely in sync with you. And the best part? This isn't just some far-off concept. It's a tool you can have running in just a few minutes.
And I am not kidding. This is a real, practical tool you can install the second this explainer is over. So stick with me and let's get you set up. Okay, here's the game plan. First, we're going to quickly break down the problem we all know too well, AI amnesia. Then I'll introduce you to the solution, Claude Subconscious, and I'll show you a quick demo. After that, we'll walk through the install, look at 3 super powerful use cases, and wrap up with what's next. All right, let's just dive right in. You know the drill. Every single time you start a new session with Claude Code, you are starting from scratch. Absolute zero. It's a blank slate, and you're the one who has to fill it in every single time. So on the left, that's the reality for most of us, right? Re-explaining the project, reminding it of your coding style, rehashing the exact bug you were just about to fix yesterday. But on the right, that's where we're going. Instant context. No more repeating yourself. Just you in the zone coding. And here's the thing. This isn't just a small annoyance. It's a genuine productivity killer. It wastes your time, drains your mental energy, and all those brilliant little insights from yesterday's session, poof, they're gone. And come on, who actually enjoys maintaining a giant Claude.md file? Nobody. So how do we fix this whole mess? Well, let me introduce you to the solution. It's called Claude Subconscious, and it is designed from the ground up to be the persistent AI partner you've always wanted. So what is it exactly? Well, think of it like a second brain. It's a background agent built on the Letta AI platform that's always running underneath your main Claude session. It watches you work, it reads your files, and it builds this incredible long-term memory. And then it feeds that crucial context back to Claude right when you need it. And what's really cool is how active this agent is. It's not just passively memorizing your chat history. No, it's actively reading your files with tools like Read, Grep, and Glob. It remembers context not just for one project, but across all of your projects. And maybe the most important part, it does all of this quietly in the background, so it never, ever gets in your way. Look, theory is one thing, but I want you to see how this actually feels to use. Let's run through a quick demo. The beauty of this is how simple it is. You just start coding. That's it. In the background, the agent wakes up. As you're working on a feature, it might start reading related files to understand the context, and then right before you type your next prompt, it might whisper a little reminder or key piece of information. You can even switch to a totally different project, and that same agent, with its shared brain, is right there with you. Under the hood, this is all powered by 4 simple hooks in the Claude Code plugin system. The real magic is in that stop hook. See, it runs asynchronously, which means it kicks off a background worker to do its thing after your session is done. That's why it never blocks Claude and lets you keep coding without a single hiccup. All right, enough talk. Let's get this thing running on your machine. I promise, it's incredibly easy. So, you've got 2 main ways to do this. The absolute easiest is using the plugin marketplace. You just run /plugin marketplace add Letta AI /Claude Subconscious. Done. Or, if you prefer, you can install it from source. First, you'll need a free API key from app.letta.com, then you just clone the repo. And finally, from inside that directory, you run claude/pluginenable. And you are good to go. Now for a little bit of configuration. You really only need to worry about a few environment variables. Letta API key is the only one that's required. Then you have Letta mode. Whisper is the default. It just gives you subtle hints. Full will inject bigger memory blocks, and off just turns it off. And then there's Letta ST key tools. It defaults to read-only, which is safe, but setting it to full is where things get really exciting, giving the agent the power to write files on its own. Okay, so you've got it installed. Now for the fun part. Where does a tool like this actually become a game changer? Let me show you 3 scenarios. First up, big, complex, long-running projects. You know the ones. Imagine you're 6 months deep in a codebase. The agent becomes the project's long-term memory. It'll remember that tricky API decision from 3 weeks ago, or that to-do you left in a comment, making sure nothing ever slips through the cracks. Next, this one's for all the freelancers and consultants out there. If you're constantly jumping between different projects, this is huge. You can switch between 5 different client code bases, and the same agent, that one shared brain, is there for all of them. It knows your coding style, your favorite tools, and it applies that knowledge everywhere.
And finally, think about this for teams. A new developer joins. Instead of them spending weeks just trying to figure out how everything works, they get an agent that is already an expert on your codebase. It can brief them on patterns, point out common gotchas. It basically slashes their ramp-up time.
And honestly, this is just the beginning. The tool is being actively developed, so let's take a quick peek at the roadmap. The team at Letta AI is working on some really mind-blowing stuff. We're talking full autonomy for the agent. Not just reading files, but actually editing them to fix bugs for you, or spawning its own little subagents to go off and do complex research in parallel. It's pretty clear this is just the start of something big. So it really leaves you with one big question, doesn't it? If you had an AI partner with a perfect memory of everything you've ever worked on, what would you build? The link to the GitHub repo is right down there in the description. Go on, grab it, get it installed, and see how it feels for yourself. If you found this useful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and I would absolutely love to hear about your own Claude Code workflow in the comments below. Thanks for watching.